You will be amazed by this 2018 Subaru Forester. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Relax and enjoy the ride in this comfortable, capable Forester. Its advanced safety tech, infotainment, and all-weather capability make it as sensible as it is pleasant to drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control. Get the peace of mind you deserve with this well-built Forester. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.